Meaning of each other.
Each other.
Each other.
Each other.
Each other. Each other is a reciprocal pronoun used to refer to two or more people or things that are involved in an action that affects all parties. It indicates a mutual relationship where each person or thing is both giving and receiving from the other. This phrase can be used to express a variety of relationships, such as love, friendship, cooperation, and competition. Ultimately, each other represents a connection between two or more entities that acknowledges their interdependence and emphasizes the importance of working together for mutual benefit.